Your student's talkativeness is beginning to distract the attention of the entire class. You want to use time out to discipline him. Which of the procedures should you not do? Sana wala pong nabulag, no? Should you not do? Would it be letter A, send your student out of the classroom for the duration of the class period? Letter B, ensure that the student can be observed by you or a teacher aide while serving the timeout. Letter C, allow the student to rejoin the class when the timeout period is over. Or letter D, let the student stay in an area where he feels secure and comfortable. And of course, sumpak na choice po natin for 18 is letter A. Kasi nga sabi ng letter A mo, you sent the student outside of the classroom. Hindi po pwede na sinabi mo sa kanya, go out, no? When you say time out, it does not mean na the student should be outside of the classroom. Kapag sinabi mo pong time out, the student needs to take a break until makakapag-behave na naman siya ulit, no? So usually at a corner of the classroom, usually sa likod ng classroom, dapat po nakikita natin siya gaya ng sinasabi ng letter B, no? Dapat po secured and comfortable yung estudyante, hindi po dapat threaten yung estudyante kung saan po siya nilagay sa timeout, no? And of course, once na okay na siya, po pwede na po siya mag-rejoin sa klase.